There might be times when you need to capture a screenshot of an entire web page, perhaps to share a receipt or a how-to from our website. Use Microsoft Edge's built-in feature to capture full-page screenshots in JPEG format. Full-page screenshots captured in a JPEG format make it easy to store and share web pages, especially when you're using messaging platforms like iMessage, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp. So, if you found this video useful, then click the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon, and you'll receive notifications of new Computech web videos, so you'll never miss another one. To get started, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 10 or Mac computer and go to the web page that you want to capture. After opening the page, scroll to the bottom of the page to make sure that the web capture feature loads all images in the article. In our testing, we found that Edge did not include images if we didn't scroll through the page. Now, click the web capture button from the toolbar. If you don't see this, make sure that you're running the latest version of Microsoft Edge. Here, choose the full page option. Now, you'll see the web capture menu. Here, you can scroll to see everything you captured in the screenshot and to make sure that all elements, including images, are showing up. If you want to annotate or draw over the screenshot, click the Draw button. From the drop-down next to the Draw button, select the color and the thickness of the stroke. Then use your cursor to draw over the screenshot. You can use the Erase option to delete any annotations. Once you're done, click the Save button from the toolbar. Microsoft Edge will instantly download the full-page JPEG image to the default download folder on your computer. You can click the Open File button from the Downloads bar from the bottom of the window to open the screenshot. Here, you'll see a long screenshot of the entire article in one flowing image. Unlike a PDF capture, it will not be divided into pages. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Also, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next one.